Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Cloud AI taking longer than usual. Try again shortly attempt to problem. Cloud AI server problem right now. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Google Chrome. Click on app info. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on clear all data. And tap on OK. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode. Check internet connection on your phone. Wait for few hours, then you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.